Alright, so today we are going to draw the map of Azerbaijan, and its capital is Baku. It's here. So you can see it has borders with Russia on the north, and Georgia here, Armenia here, Iran in the south, and on the east side you can see it has a Caspian Sea. And for better proportion, you can draw like a axis in the middle. Then you can divide the whole map into four slices. Then you can start drawing. So let's start the drawing and see how does it looks. All right, so you have to kind of memorize the whole thing. Usually the maps of a country doesn't change over the periods of time unless there are major problems or major incidents. Sometimes the map change because of the two countries merge together, or it breaks into pieces, or some new countries get independence. In that case the map can be changed little bit, but otherwise the map remains same. Okay, so I'm just moving up to the top and I'm going to connect another line from here. And extending the lines. Okay, so this is the main portion of the map, and it has another land in a few distance, okay, which has a border with the Armenia. There's a separate piece of land, but it's also a part of the Azerbaijan. Let's draw that one. So you can see the total presentations of the Azerbaijan map is here. Now for the more solid form of the main island or the mainland of the whole area, we're going to put some soft colors inside. So putting the soft colors, you can see the soft colors here. So the use of crayons is looking good, and the land area is getting visible now from the outside canvas. So this is a piece of paper and I'm just drawing the country map in this paper only in the easiest form. As you know, in our academic life in schools, sometimes we need to find out some countries and we have to search through the atlas to find out particular country. But if we don't know about the locations of the country, then it's not easy to find out. But if you know the locations and you know the locations of the other countries in the border, then you can find it easily. All right, now I'm going to color the another separate pieces. This is also a part of the, হ্যাঁ মামা কি খবর গো তোমার? এই যে আমি কি খবর শুনে ভিডিও করতেছি তো এটা শেষ করে আসি। So that piece of land is a part of the main land of the borders. All right. So here's the total presentations. You can see the four segments and four different parts. So on the east side, you can see the Caspian Sea, on the south, Iran, and on the west, Armenia, Georgia, and on the north, you can see the Russia, and Azerbaijan and Baku is the capital. So this is how you can draw the maps, and when you want to find out a particular country, then you can just find out very easily. So you know the bordering countries and the sea, and also the locations, especially the Russia, everybody knows because it's the biggest country in the world. All right, so thanks for watching. I hope you like it. Please subscribe the channel and put the bell icon on to get the updates. Thank you so much. Have a good day.